We are doing Gregg Shorthand Anniversary Edition Unit 18 Frequent Word Beginnings. The vowel is omitted in the syllabus. B. Dismiss. Word drill. We are starting word drill. Starting. Below, beneath, besides, delay, debate, deceit, decision, depress, depart, depend. Next set. Discover, dispel, dispatch, display, dislike, dislike, disgrace, repair, resign, reform. Reason, reasonable, reception, review, revise, replace, repent, misled, mishap, misery. Next set. Phrasing principle starting. 148. I had, he had, they had, we had, you had, was not, it was not, he was not, there was not, it is not, there is not. Record, advertise, previous, occasion, quantity, 100, improve, improvement, acquire, nevertheless, ensure, education, difficult, newspaper, sufficient, merchandise, determine, pleasure, catalog. Thank you for watching the video.